Hello, I'm Claudia Bowles, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Queso Napolitano. Let's get started. For the caramel, you will need a cake pan, and 1 cup of sugar with a little bit water. For the Queso Napolitano, you will need 8 eggs, 2 cans of condensed milk, 2 cans of water, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So for the queso napolitano, I'm going to cook this one in water bath. So I already have over here my water bath ready. But first you have to do the caramel. And for that you will need the sugar and a little bit just water. And that's it. And put it in the stove and just wait until all the sugar get like a golden brown. So at this point you have to turn it off because the sugar is very hot and it will keep cooking. So just move it for a little bit, and then what are you going to do? Just if you have these gloves, it's better because you're going to just turn it around and around so you cover the whole pan with the sugar. So after the pan is completely covered with the sugar, just leave it outside and just wait until it's completely cool. So now that you have over here your pan with the caramel, you're going to start making the queso napolitano. So you just put everything inside. Over here you have the 2 cans of condensed milk, and each condensed milk is 14 ounces. So you're going to add 2 cups of, not 2 cups, 2 cans of water. That will be 28 ounces of water. So you add this one, the water, you will add the vanilla and also the cornstarch. So everything inside. You don't need to do one by one, or there is no science in this. Just blend everything together. So what I'm going to do is put this pan here and add the mix. It cracks, but don't worry. So now you have to cover the queso napolitano. Try to do it flat so you can cover also the boiler with, with the lid. So cover this one and cover the double boiler and just keep it medium high for 1 hour to 1 hour and a half. That's it. So it already passed an hour and a half, and I check and it's pretty good. So look over here, so you can see the way you can check. You can just put the knife inside here, so it's good, and remove it from the water and just leave it outside for maybe a couple of hours. It has to be completely cold before you put it in a plate. So this is cool enough. So I'm going to put it in this tray and just do, put the knife in, you know, just do this one in the edges so it's easy to turn it over. And maybe it's going to be a little bit more caramel, I don't know, so we'll see. So ready, 1, 2, and 3. There you go. So this is the Queso Napolitano, not flan. I think we called Queso Napolitano because that's the, when I'm going to cut it, so you will see that it has holes like a cheese, because queso is cheese, and that's how we call it in Yucatan. Queso Napolitano, and flan is a different recipe. And you can find this recipe in my book, Claudia Bo's Mexican Recipes of Yucatan. Okay, so let's go see inside. What you can do is just to put a little bit of this on the top, this caramel, and there you go. So this is the Queso Napolitano. Thanks for watching.